The Adelaide Central Market is South Australia's largest tourist attraction and can also boast of being one of the largest undercover marketplaces in the Southern Hemisphere. The official opening was in 1870, making the market over 150 years old. The Federal Hall was built in 1900s, making it 120 years this year. Now let's take a look inside. Today, the Adelaide Central Market has over 70 stalls and remains Adelaide's premier food destination on multicultural cuisine and fresh produce. The market is still a traditional fresh produce market, offering a wide variety of artisan products, fruit and vegetables, small goods, eateries, and it's navigated by colourful lanes and broadways. With selections like these, you're bound to find something that you're going to enjoy. Look at all these cheeses. There are cheeses from all over the world here. And I was lucky enough to find the little cheese that I grew up with back in Norway. And of course, it had to come home with me. Well, I hope I was able to make your mouth water a little bit after all of this. I ended up buying a fair selection of fresh produce as well as a couple of cheeses, and I ended up actually having to go back to the car once to drop it all off before I went back and bought some more. I hope you enjoyed this little market tour with me. Stay safe, and I will see you again next time.